Hello my people and welcome. So my name is Instructor Alice and I want to show you how to solve this particular question. You see what I write for up? I say only smart students will finish this video. So if you know smart, you go on reach half, leave am. Pause this video first, try am. You know say na UTME question with this. All of them they like to pay attention to word problem like this. All this kind of word problem, I go plenty. I will tell you for next video if you share this video and like am. The other topic in the library for UTME. Any school where they just put your school for comment section, go find your past question paper, do question, solve something inside for you. Add the same number. Now be the question no. Add the same number to numerator and denominator of 3 over 18. If the resulting fraction is 1 over 2, then the number added is 13, 14, 15, 12, 11. As you don't pause the video, try am. Which one? Some of us no even get idea. If now you be that, you know see no get idea. No, just put your hand for your chest, your left hand though. Your left hand for your chest. Raise your hand. Raise their hand. Raise her up now. Your right hand. Say God help me. I beg God help me. You go pass this exam in Jesus' name. Put that for comment section. I'll show you what you will do now. So now, as they say, add the same number. Me, I don't know which number they say me add. You know, say most students now will just quickly go pick wrong answer because they go rush them. So make you no fall inside that particular trap. I'll show you what you go do. So since I don't know the number, I will just say let the number. Anytime when you don't know the number where they say me add, just say let the number be. Everybody like X. Might follow like X. If you use another number, share. But then if you read the question now to understand them, they say make you add that number na X, so same number to numerator and denominator. What do you mean by numerator? See this one with the up, now be numerator. This one with the down, now denominator be this one. So they say make you add this X to both the one with the up and down. It's simple now. Share it clear. I go lie for you. So now you can't do, might divide this body into 2. Now you say the remaining one I can't write down for this side. I can't do 3 plus X. Now numerator be that. You said I don't ask Adam. 18 plus X. Now denominator be that too. They can't even continue full stop. If the resulting fraction meaning say equal to the resulting fraction now, if they say if the resulting fraction are 1 over 2, that means equal to 1 over 2, then wetin come be this X wey add. How I want to do this thing? The secret and shortcut be say when you come to this particular, when you don't arrange this word problem as fraction like this, abeg just do cross multiply. Just use 2 multiply this one, use 18 plus X multiply this one. Anything will come out and answer with that. See, 2 multiply by this. If you put it like this, 2 into 3 plus X equal to 1 times 18 plus X. You know, say 1 times 18 plus X now still 18 plus X. Now go like for you. You don't like the video, like, and I know say after video you go share them now. You go draw comment too. Just tell me your school. Make I just find past question paper because it gas pass this exam. 2 times 3 could give you 6 plus 2 times S will give us 2x. Some people they multiply this first one, then they multiply this 2 times 3, then they forget say this 2 go multiply x again. I beg no mess up. 1 times this 2 thing and same thing as 18 plus x. The last thing we go do now be say any side where x dey make them dey one side, any side where s no dey. In fact, this s na make come this side, come dey this side. This is making come this side, come dey where x dey. X will come replace, so I can't get this 2x will come become 2x. If this s cross come this side, it will become minus x equal to 18 already there. If 6 cross this side, come become minus 6. Remember say when positive sign they cross, negative sign cross, that sign they change. So you know say 2x minus s will just give you x equal to, everybody tell me for comment section, which will be 18 minus 6. Open my tell me something now. 18 minus 6 now waiting. 12. That's a sabi book. 12. Find this option now that 12 day. If you want more fast tricks like this particular one I do for UTME exams, join our full class. Our full class there for Telegram. You guys register. Check for the link for this particular video now. You go see the link to my Telegram and WhatsApp group. Just make sure you join those 2 groups now. Now there you get the full detailed information about the registered class where they go on now for people who want to write these UTME exams. Find the link for comment section. Don't forget to share this particular video and like it. If you never subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button ASAP. If you want part 2, make I record another one. Just put out for comment section and the subject we want. Sure, you don't learn from this one. My name is Instructor. This is where they teach math and science for pidgin English. We're gonna make you understand everything. So if you know say you never share and share, I beg share to group chat now. Support my page. Small make I for they even support you. Now so they do something. Now win-win. You don't share them. If you don't share, I know be a better person. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon. If I upload new video, now you go first receive notification. I don't come out to. Now so they be very short, very quick. Now so my how they be. I don't match.